Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back to another video from Electro Pixels. Today, we have a 43-inch Amsterdam Android Smart 4K LED TV with an interesting display issue. The complaint is that after operating normally for 1 or 2 minutes, the screen begins to flicker and develops a double image effect. As you can see, the fault appears once the panel warms up. As we've explained in several of our previous repair videos, this type of problem is usually caused by internal shorting in the gate driver signals inside the LCD panel glass. Unfortunately, since the fault is inside the panel itself, the permanent solution is panel replacement. However, in many cases, we can restore the picture using a temporary panel repair technique. This TV is equipped with a 43-inch LG 4K display panel featuring an LG T-Con board. After detailed diagnosis, we confirm that this panel can be repaired using the VGH odd and VGH even bypass method, which helps isolate the faulty gate signal path and temporarily eliminate the flickering and double image issue. The complete step-by-step repair process, including diagnosis, bypass procedure, and final results, will be uploaded to our channel very soon. If you're interested in LED TV panel repair and advanced troubleshooting techniques, make sure to stay tuned. Thank you for watching Electro Pixels.